This 2023 Thor Motor Coach A.C.E. 29D is a Class A RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 30 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, Slideout, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, DVD player, stovetop burner, microwave, smoke detector, external shower, skylight, leveling jacks, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, couples coach, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2023 Thor Motor Coach A.C.E. 29D is built on a Ford chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.